Hey you guys, here is a little silversmithing tool that I have for you guys, and a little something to say is as jewelers and artists, we all have our own style that we do things, and that's really important. If it's really important at the beginning to follow an instructor, to follow someone's work that you admire, and really follow their rules. Once you get into your own studio, you really need to make your own work your own, to have distinctive work. And I hope that makes sense to you, because I can tell you that every single person who has made a mark in adornment or in their artwork in the world has not just stood there and copied. They went into their own creativity and they've developed their own work, and they've become really strong with it. We all find our own shortcuts, our own just ways that we do things. We all break the rules. In fact, when you really look at work that you recognize, work in galleries, work that people are seeking to buy, they always are an artist that is breaking the rules and making the rules work for them, making their own rules and making it work for them. People who win competitions, it's like people who stretch beyond what the rules were. Now, this is different from a silversmith who is trained to work in a jewelry store and repair. That's a whole different frame of mind. We're talking about jewelers and artists who are really making their own mark and developing their own style. And there certainly is a huge market for that. So I advise you guys always to learn it from someone who you admire, learn your skills, then go in, break the rules, and really figure out your own work. Really figure out who you are, where you're coming from, and what your work is about. And if you stay authentic to yourself and grow that work, you cannot help but to be successful. I promise you. Take a look at all the people who have been successful.